Have you ever wondered how robots make decisions? They don't think like humans, but they follow three main methods: hierarchical, reactive, and hybrid paradigms. Let's make it super easy to understand. First, hierarchical paradigm. Think of a teacher in a classroom. The teacher gives instructions, and students follow step by step. In the same way, a Mars rover works. NASA tells it where to go, it makes a plan, and then follows the steps exactly. It's structured and planned. Next, reactive paradigm. No planning, just instant reactions. Imagine touching something hot. You don't think, you just move your hand away. A robot vacuum works the same way. It moves around, senses obstacles, and turns without thinking ahead. It's fast and simple. Finally, hybrid paradigm. This is like driving a car. You plan your route, but if a car stops suddenly, you react quickly. A self-driving car works like this. It follows a planned route but reacts to people, traffic, and obstacles in real time. It's smart and flexible. So, hierarchical robots follow a plan, reactive robots respond instantly, and hybrid robots do both. These methods help robots work efficiently, from space missions to self-driving cars. Technology keeps evolving, and understanding these systems is key to shaping the future of robotics. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next lesson.